Let's start with the number, $777,777.77. Sounds like a lot of money, right? And it is, but it's also the exact amount that was paid for an NFT this week, which was actually one piece from an entire catalog. The remaining collection went for a total of $3.5 million. Wow. Yes, NFT art is really taking off and looks set to continue throughout next year. And now you, lucky one holders, can also get a piece of that action. This is the LMA Art Gallery, the first art gallery containing unique NFT art cards on the Harmony network, making it possible for one holders to buy and own NFT art cards. Now, there are a total of 23 NFT cards available at the moment, but keep an eye on it as the collection is expected to grow very soon. And especially with Harmony's low cost and high speed in consideration, leaping into NFT art collection is becoming much easier. Now, the best part about using LMA is that it will enable you to swap your LMA tokens by using our very own C-swap and later represent them on Ethereum using the bridge, which means you also gain access to all the liquidity and buyers in the Ethereum ecosystem. Make it cheap, sell it for more. This will enable unique opportunities for LMA holders to participate in virtual spaces, particularly where NFT art galleries are gaining heat, such as in Somnium, Decentralized, and Cryptovoxels. And as somebody who sold a piece of NFT art very, very recently for quite a high sum, I think this is an exciting space to get into. So let's get into the details. If someone buys your LMA art card, you will receive 50% in rewards, and another 50% will be used to buy and burn LMA tokens. The art card's price increases 100% each time a user buys it. And you can see the transaction count on each card. What makes the LMA token unique is that it's the first deflationary token on the Harmony network, and that's why every month the LMA CEO account will buy back and burn a portion of the LMA tokens. Now, there were originally 1 million LMA minted, and there will never, ever be any new ones minted in the future. So which card will you start your LMA collection with? And stay on top of the NFT space at the moment, because my goodness, it's exciting. It really is. See you on the next one.